woke up this morning, I seen it spammed everywhere. NBA YoungBoy has made, like, he made bail pretty much that the judge done granted him a bond exactly like I said. I said, man, all we need is for YB to have a good judge to grant him bond, then he gonna get out, y'all. But I don't know if he out right now or not, because I ain't seen nothing, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, it's definitely hours later, but he got granted $100,000 bond, so let's go ahead and get straight into it, y'all. Because I'm not gonna lie, bro. It's only right, because it's like, that's some real nigga shit, I feel like that's some real shit they done did, man. Let's go ahead and get into it, chat. 100K, we know he paid that shit. Oh my God, this nigga been locked up about 3 weeks. I don't even know how long it been, but it been probably finna be like a month or so. But this nigga done grew a fucking whole mustache. This nigga, he ain't get the beard, but he done grew a whole mustache in that motherfucker. Who is this? Baby Q Vegetable, yeah, got that right now too. That nigga look like he with the cartel, twin. He look like he was in jail smuggling. Nah, just fly playing for cause this shit serious. But this nigga look like he done did a little time in that motherfucker. It been like a month. Shit, it look like he did a little time in that motherfucker. Only gotta pay 10%. That's an easy 10K. That's what I'm saying, twin. Like he should be released. I haven't seen nothing to say NBA YoungBoy has been released from jail. I just said seeing that he got granted bond. That's two different things now. But he got bail, so it's guaranteed that he gonna get out. I don't know what they waiting on for him to be released, or he had been released. And I don't know. I know we could look it up in some more shit, but I don't know what's going on. Let's get into this, y'all. He Mexican. Somebody said he going to Taco Bell after. Oh, hell no. Yaya was there. Drew, what's up, gang? Everybody join to the stream. What's up, Luanda? What's up, gang? They telling him what to say or something, or give him an update. Cardi dropping too? I hope, man. I ain't gonna lie, I hope. Everybody join to the stream. What's up? Let me know how y'all feel about her whole situation.
All rise. Court of the First Judicial District of the State of Utah and Woodland County attached is now in session. The
Okay.
Judge Spencer D. Walsh is presiding.
Okay, Spencer Walsh.
All right, good morning.
Good morning, my nigga.
State of Utah versus Kentrell Deshaun Galden. Case 241100468. Counsel, please state your names for the record.
He said, yeah, love her some YB on God. She trying to get that nigga back.
Johnson for the state. Drew Finland and Zach Finland on behalf of Mr. Galden.
All right, we're here today for a preliminary hearing and a bail hearing. We had the opportunity to meet with the attorneys in chambers, and it does appear that there has been some type of an arrangement reached between the parties. Mr. Finley, would you like to go ahead and state that for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Your Honor,
All right, y'all. So when he said he already talked to YB lawyers in the chambers, that basically means he already talked to them before they actually came out to the main area right here and let him know what's going on. So yeah.
for the state, myself have been in negotiation really since yesterday, but throughout this morning.
Y'all know he got that good lawyer, man.
Y'all
know he got good lawyers. Let me listen to what he's saying.
Have been in negotiation really since yesterday, but throughout this morning, and I've explained those negotiations to Mr. Galden. We are going to waive the preliminary hearing in this matter. In exchange for that, a bond will be set at $100,000.
That's Dr. Pepper.
Will be able to use a commercial company to make that bond. That will be an aggregate bond.
That's the Dr. Pepper from last night that Drew ordered, babe. I'm doing a whole damn video. I got 44 people in the motherfucking stream. Can I do the damn video? God damn. My bad, y'all. I'm really finna slap his ass if you let me do the video. Just close the door.
A bond will be set at $100,000.
God damn.
Mr. Galden will be able to use a commercial bond. And I've explained those negotiations to Mr. Galden. We are going to waive a preliminary hearing in this matter. In exchange for that, a bond will be set at $100,000. Mr. Golden will be able to use a commercial company to make that bond. That will be an aggregate bond covering everything in total.
Okay.
As contained in the charging instrument.
All right.
Ask me what type of drink it is. Really tasty.
Mr. Keller, does that
See.
accurately represent the
Like, come
agreement
on,
that's been reached between the state and Mr.
As contained in the charging instrument.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Finley. Mr. Keller, does that accurately represent the agreement that's been reached between the state and Mr. Golden?
Yes, it does, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Golden, have you had enough time to speak to your attorneys about this decision
That's
to waive
Lucci
your
lawyer.
right to your preliminary hearing?
Yes.
All right. Do you understand that the standard at a preliminary hearing is a much lower burden
This nigga.
of proof
What the fuck, man? Y'all can't even see this for real, but that mustache looking crazy.
that the government would have to meet than at trial? So instead of proof beyond a reasonable doubt, it's a lower burden of proof, which is there a reasonable belief that a crime was committed by you?
Those in chat.
And the court has to view all the evidence that it would receive in a light most favorable to the government, to the prosecution. Understanding that legal standard and having had discussions with your attorneys, do you hereby waive your right to your preliminary hearing?
Yes.
All right. The court finds that Mr. Golden has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to his preliminary hearing. He will be bound over for trial on all the charges set forth in the information, the charging document in this case. Bail will be set through stipulation of the parties at $100,000. That will be bondable.
Them
And
what?
talking to the
Hey,
attorneys
one
himself-
thing about this shit, them lawyers know exactly what they motherfucking doing, boy. Shout out to the motherfucking lawyers. W's in the chat. Bobby messed his face up. Damn. All them tats. Oh, yeah. He been had all them tats though, chat.
It's like they would like to set this out for an arraignment.
Look, $100K is $10 to 1K. Oh man, wait, y'all said Yaya there though. Where's she at? Oh, is this her? Oh shit, that's her in the chat. W lawyers. Where the wife, twin? Where the wife? Hold on, the baby mom. Hold on, the wife. I understand the wife take care of the kids or whatever, but hold on. Second row. Where's the
Mr.
wife,
Finley,
twin?
would you like to go ahead and articulate anything specific related to that?
Yes, Your Honor, as discussed in chambers, and I explained to Mr. Golden, even if it's set up for arraignment, say,
You know
60
Jazz at the
days,
house.
The court has, yes, Your Honor, as discussed in chambers, and I explained to Mr. Golden, even if it's set up for arraignment, say, in 60 days, the court has made it clear through discussion with counsel, if there is a resolution well before then, we're welcome to come back before Your Honor at any point in the future.
Okay, very good. So we'll set Mr. Golden's arraignment out in about 60 days. That arraignment would take place through WebEx. We'll have Mr. Golden brought here to the courthouse, and then if Mr. Finley would like to appear remotely for that hearing, he may do so.
Okay.
Also, if the attorneys
Thank
reach
you.
some sort of resolution prior to those 60 days expiring, then just reach out to Angie and we'll get that on my calendar in a timely fashion. Angie, a date about 60 days out for that arraignment on a Monday morning probably. July 1st, at what time? 9?
July
Okay,
1st.
so that would be July 1st at 9 a.m. or 1:30 p.m. Mountain Time, whatever you prefer.
Either one.
Okay, let's do 9 a.m. Does that work for the state?
It does, yes.
All right, Mr. Golden, your arraignment will be July 1st, 9 a.m. You'll be brought over from the Cache County Jail, assuming that you're still incarcerated. If not, you'd be able to appear remotely for that hearing as well, or appear in person, whatever you
Okay, so he basically saying for the arraignment, either, like, if he's still locked up by the time the 30-day or 60-day arraignment, they said July 1st, so that's like, shit. Next month is June. So, but so he basically saying if he's still locked up before they gotta come back and do the arraignment. He gonna be there, you know. But if he not locked up, like he out on released on bond, then he gotta do it through like the damn webcam and shit, like type shit.
Preference would be. Is there anything else that needs
Like
to
whatever
be
the preference.
stated on
Okay.
record here today, council?
ZJ, what's up, gang? Quasi, what's up, gang? How y'all feeling?
Further from the state.
All right, with that, we'll conclude this hearing. Court is adjourned.
He just sitting there with a straight face the whole time, though. Oh, he's saying he loved him? Where the fuck the damn wife? At least he was smiling though, bro. That's good, man. He in good spirits. He wasn't smiling the whole time during this shit though, but I think the wife might be sitting front row. I can't tell. Oh nah, that ain't. Nah, I don't know them people. That's probably I don't know who them people is, y'all. But shit, this a W, man. At least we know NBA YoungBoy. Shit, he may be getting out soon. He looks so defeated. He has Lucci attorney, and he beat a murder charge. It's like he got more tattoos. What? He got more tattoos on his face while in jail? Oh, hell nah, nigga. I hope he ain't. Oh, hell nah. Bruh, if this nigga got more tattoos while locked up, it's crazy, nigga. You're a fucking millionaire. Ain't no way you went to go get jail-made tattoos. Jail-made ink, nigga. On your face? Oh, hell nah.
Prove that the government.
I mean, I can't tell. It's only one side of the face I'm seeing. Them the same tats, nigga be tweaking. Okay. So he pays the bond, he gets out and has to be on house arrest until his arraignment. If he doesn't pay bond, he has to stay in jail. Is that what that means? He gonna pay that motherfucker bond. That's one thing I know for sure. His face look crazier than before. Oh, hell. I mean, shit. That ain't even funny, bro. Because he been locked up. So, of course, his face gonna look crazy. Shit, he been locked up and stressed out in that motherfucker, man. You know? I ain't, you know. But as long as he was leaving in good spirits. That's all that matters, chat. Y'all let me know how y'all feeling about this whole situation, guys. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Let y'all sub up if y'all haven't. And smash that like button on the stream, gang. He grew a stash. He changed his picture. No, he changed it from what? Facial hair making bro look like head of the cartel on God, twin. This nigga do like, I don't know. This nigga definitely look different with the mustache. Like, I see why that nigga be cutting it off. Like, he definitely look older, but shit. If he want to keep it, he could keep that motherfucker. That's on him, you know. I want to see how he gonna look with, like, this and a mustache chat. He gonna look like a whole different nigga. All I'm saying is there's still hope for YB. No cap, because when he first got locked up, niggas kept saying, oh, YB fried, he done. I'm like, man, y'all know how many times Kodak Black done got locked up and done got out? This nigga finna get out, bruh. They like, man, they got 63 charges on him. They got 60 charges on him. This and that. But that nigga still could get out. When you got money, bruh, and good lawyers to pay, like, y'all gotta understand, bro. Like, y'all understand, like, Young Thug lawyers, the whole YSL shit, them niggas getting paid. And watch, I feel like Thug gonna beat that case, bro, because he got great lawyers, bro. And they really fighting for him to get out. YB lawyers, I feel like, man, these are good lawyers he got. You feel me? They gonna fight for him to get out. When that money, the money talk for real when it come out of this shit, y'all. If you ain't paying a lawyer good enough, they ain't gonna do a good enough job to get you out. And he got the money. He got the money to pay the fine. Y'all see, y'all there. Her daddy already on that shit. He the one who, 10K ain't really nothing. Bobby could pay that shit, but shit, he got people in his family he could call for if some shit were to go down. Thug not beating the case. I think he gonna beat the case. This nigga said Thug ain't beating the case, sir. But nah, they ain't even funny, bro, because I want Thug to beat that motherfucking case. I ain't gonna lie. First day out song gonna hit. Oh God, I said that too, man. He gotta do it down first day out. That'll be tough, chat. No cap. Once it's 12 a.m., they still don't say he out by 12 a.m. Bro, go, you tripping, bro. He got the bond. Just chill, twin. Like, damn. Coming this month, because he out of jail soon. I don't know, man. I don't know if they're going to drop the album. We going to see. Everything be all talk until we see, bro. Thug going to get broke out. I knew he was going to beat it when they let Gunna out. Damn. Gunna copped out, though. He might drop that guilty song. Yak Laura better. I ain't gonna lie, though. One thing about Kodak, though, he got pardoned by Donald Trump, bruh. That really what saved him. That pardon saved his ass. I feel like Kodak probably would still been locked up by now if he didn't get pardoned by Donald Trump. No cap. But he do got good lawyers. Because Kodak been getting, like, since he got pardoned, he been in and out of jail. Not really in and out, but he got locked up a few times, like, over some shit that really wasn't his fault. Because 12 locked him up for some pills that's fucking prescribed for him to take. That's how you know they just messing with Kodak. You feel me? Gunna copped out, snitch ass. Copping out ain't even snitching, though. Like, he didn't say nothing to make somebody get locked up, or he ain't got to testify on the stand. So he ain't really snitching. Snitching is when you snitch on a nigga and they get prosecuted for it, and you sit on that motherfucker stand and testify. That's snitching. Where I got a good lawyer, no cap. They said his arraignment in July. You don't get released after you get arraignment. I don't know how that arraignment shit go. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know how it go. Gunna ain't snitch fool. Even Thug Dad said that. He been fighting that case with that white girl. Yeah, he get arraignment. It's over. Well, I don't know what arraignment is, though, y'all. I don't know what that is. I ain't gonna lie. So y'all gotta, like, let me know, like, how I work with that. But I appreciate y'all for tuning into this game. Make sure y'all sub up if y'all haven't.